I'm Dr. Chris Ho from Brisbane, Australia. This is easy grammar with stories and patterns. Switch on the captions now, it will help you see the words more clearly in this lesson. Why do we say this for something near, that for something far? So, this, that. What happens when there are many things? These are leaves. Those are birds flying in the sky. Those. That bird is not flying, but those birds are flying. This leaf is still green. Those leaves, they're all brown. And as always, no rules, no lists, only patterns, stories, and rhythms, and listening. And speaking, of course, that's the most important. That's how English becomes natural. So here's a story. Think of yourself being in a classroom. I'm in the classroom. On my desk, I've one book. I touch it and I say, yes, this is my book. This is my book. Next to the book is one pen. I hold it up and say, this is my pen. But across the room there, I see a chair. I point to that. That is a chair. On the wall, I see a clock. That is a clock. And on the table across the room, there's a small plate. What is that? It's rice on the plate. Yes, that is rice. Now comes my friends. They come to join me. So on the table now, there are three books. There are three books, two pens. I pick them up. I pick all of them up and say, these three books are my books. I hold the pens and say, these are my pens. These. On the tray next to us, there are two apples. What are these? These are two apples. And across the room, I see the teacher's desk with many, many books. I point to that and say, those are the teacher's books. Those are the teacher's books. And on the shelf, on the wall, by the wall, far away, there are many cups. What are those? What are those? Those are cups. Now let's mix them up. I hold up one book. This is my book. Across the room, I point. That's the teacher's book. So that is the teacher's book. And then now I hold up three books. Those are also the teacher's books. I take one pen. This is my pen. And there, across the room, there are four pens. Those are her pens. That's right. So those are her pens. This one pen is my pen. But those many pens, four pens, are her pens. Those. There's a fish tank as well in the room. There is one fish in the tank. What is this? This is a fish. This is a fish. Then I look at the tank full of many fish. What are these? Oh, these are fish. I look at the newspaper on the desk. What is that? That is a newspaper. So this is the clear pattern. This for one thing that is near, that is for one thing that is a bit further away, and these are for many things near. Those are for many things further away. But there's some special words work differently. Rice is one idea, not many rice or many rices. This is rice. That is rice. So we don't say these are rice or that those are rice. This is rice. Even there's many, many little grains of rice. This is rice. That is rice. Fish is special. So fish is usually the same for one or for many, but of the same kind. So there's one fish. just one single fish in the tank. But you also say there might be five fish. Five fish meaning five fish, but of the same kind. If there are different kinds of fish, then you might say five fishes. This is a fish, that is a fish, these are fish, those are fish. So that's the tricky one. But that's alright, don't worry about it for now. The same with news and mathematics. They look plural because of the S, news, but they are actually one idea. That is the news. This is the news. That is maths. This is maths. A simple trick. If you can touch it, say this or these. If it's far away and you need to point to it, you say that and those. So revise this pattern. Listen to this video again and get that pattern, that rhythm into your natural English. If you like this way of learning, no rules, no lists, just patterns and stories and rhythms, then subscribe. This is one more lesson in my Easy Grammar series. Each video gives you another real English pattern with useful words and everyday situations, so it helps you with remembering it. And it's best if you repeat it, shadow it, mimic what I say. So on this channel, you will also find speaking practice, simple vocabulary, difficult ones too, and stories from real life, even my life in Brisbane, Australia. So stay with me, follow the series, and together we'll make English easier, step by step, pattern by pattern, rhythm by rhythm. Click the links above or below to watch the next lessons.